Alright, I've got a couple big announcements to make in this video which could help you, especially if you're a small YouTuber watching this video at the time it was originally uploaded. So please stick around until the end so you can find out what's going on and be a part of it. So I was at a local mall recently waiting for an appointment at the Apple Store Genius Bar, and since I had a couple hours to kill, I decided that this was the right time to try an idea for my channel that I'd started to think about really back in 2018 when I'd just gotten my channel started. So to turn this idea into action, all I had to do was get an order of Panda Express to go from the food court. And now, ladies and gentlemen of the internet, it is my pleasure to welcome you to episode number 1 of the Pollerizer Fortune Cookie Challenge. Starting with this video, when I get a fortune cookie from a restaurant, I'm not just going to read the fortune and get a good laugh out of it like I usually do, but instead, this particular fortune cookie you see here, this has the potential to make a big positive impact on my YouTube career, and it could do the same for you as well. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so here's how the fortune cookie challenge works. I crack open the fortune cookie, read the fortune, and then whatever the fortune says, no matter how crazy it might be, the challenge is to turn that fortune into actual reality. So think of it like the TV show Iron Chef, but instead of making food, I'm making a fortune come true. I have no clue what it's going to say, so here we go. For Fortune Cookie Challenge number 1, the mission is to seek out a service project that uses your strengths. Okay, and you know what? I can work with this. I was really worried I was going to get something difficult or really cryptic for this first challenge, but this fortune actually ties in perfectly with another big idea I've been planning for the past few weeks. Because if you've seen my Claim Your YouTube Channel's Custom URL video, I announced at the end of that video that I had planned to take the Pollerizer's content to a whole other level, and this challenge is the first step in making that happen. So thinking about service projects, what comes to mind for you? I think for most of us, it's probably finding ways to help people in the communities where we live. And with everything that's happened so far this year, this is such a fitting challenge in so many ways. I work in healthcare, so in my regular day-to-day life, I'm proud to serve my community in that role. But like many of you watching, I'm also a YouTube content creator, and in particular a proud member of the small YouTuber community, which is a major focus of most of my work so far on YouTube. And so for my Fortune Cookie Challenge service project, I'm excited to announce that I am inviting all YouTube content creators watching this video to join me in a small YouTuber collab. So even if you're a big YouTuber watching this, hey, you know what? If you want to be a part of it, I certainly welcome you and thank you for helping give a hand up to all the small channels trying to grow. This collab is an opportunity for all of you watching to send me footage of the great work you do as a content creator, and what I'm going to do is edit all of the submissions I receive into a music video celebrating the work that we're doing as individual YouTubers and as a small YouTuber community as a whole. I've been in touch with a number of talented musical artists in our community who've expressed interest in helping me write and record an original track for this music video. And for each of you who follow the instructions in the description of this video, you'll get a shout out for your channel, including a portion of the clip you submit in the final edit. So don't worry if you're not a musician or some other type of performing artist, go for it anyway. Be creative and think of ways to show off something in your video clip that gives people an idea of what your channel's about and how awesome it is. Whether it's vlogging, health, fitness, art, photography, filmmaking, cooking, technology, reviews, whatever it is, if you follow the instructions and it complies with YouTube's rules, I'll find a way to make it work in the video. Also, if you have at least 100 subscribers and you haven't gotten your custom URL for your channel yet, make sure you check out my video on how to get that done, because I'll also be including links in the description of the music video to all of the channels that are part of the collab. To give people enough time to record original footage for this project, and because some of you might be taking some time off to enjoy your summer, or winter for those of you living below the equator, the cutoff for entries is 1 month from the upload date of this video. So go ahead and mark that on your calendars. For the musical artists out there, please leave me a comment below confirming your interest in participating so I can figure out how many solo sections to include in the arrangement. And stay tuned for my next video, which will include a backing track and other information you need for coming up with and recording your own tracks for this project. Alright, I have no idea what to expect, but I can't wait to see what you submit and what we as a community come up with. So check out the description, get to work and have fun, and if you have any questions or thoughts about the collab, please let me know in the comments.